If a ball is thrown upward at 64 feet per second from the top of a building that is 110 feet high, the height of the ball can be modeled by S equals blah, 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 where T is the number of seconds after the ball is thrown. Now, when you look at this function right here, S is a function of T. So that means on the graph, T is your x-axis and S is your y. T is time, number of seconds, and S is the height. And it says that the ball is thrown upward at a speed of 64 feet per second from the top of a building that is 110 feet high. So you've got a building here that right here is 110 feet. And then the ball is thrown upward, and what goes up must come back down. And what is the question? The question is, what is the ball's maximum height? And when you look at the function, it does have a negative 16t squared. So I drew the picture. Here is my upside down parabola. And the vertex right here, I meant to do that in purple, sorry, that is your maximum height. And the maximum height would be found right here. That's what we're looking for. So we're looking for the y-coordinate of the vertex. That's what we're looking for. The y-coordinate of the vertex. But you can't find the y-coordinate of the vertex until you find the x-coordinate. And remember that the x-coordinate is found by taking negative b over 2a. Okay, so go back up to your equation and the b would be the, come on, the b, pink, there we go. The b would be the 64, right? Yep, b is 64, lordy b. And then the a would be the negative 16. Remember, the a is the coefficient on your x squared, or in this case t squared, and your b is the coefficient on the x, or in this case t. So there you go. So this is going to be a negative 64 over a negative 32, which is 2. So it'll reach its maximum height in 2 seconds, although they didn't ask that question, but I now know that. It takes 2 seconds for it to reach its maximum height. Whew, and its maximum height is 110 plus 64 times 2 minus 16 times 2, excuse me, squared. And then I'm just going to use my, handy dandy calculator here to do the math. Let's see, I can do that. 2 squared is 4. And you get 176. And this is the height. So the building was 110 feet high, so the maximum height of the ball is 176 feet. There you go.